Here we go. Here we are. We made it to the airport.
Yeah, we did.
Let's get ourselves pre-cleared. Gotta open it up somehow.
I don't know how to open that.
Oh, wonderful.
So I'm going to give up on that. I'm going to go to the
Okay. You know best, honey. Oh, God. Oh, jeez.
Hey, you're doing something.
You have to do it twice. Do. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at my beautiful driver. Don't drive this like a race car. Welcome home. Oh, look at this. Is it an espresso?
Yeah.
Very nice. Holy moly.
3 hours later.
Alright, first drink
First
in
cheers.
Maui.
Mai Tai. What do you have?
Something with tequila.
Tequila.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, this is so freaking sweet.
That's alright.
You need it, don't you?
No, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
Okay.
I don't. I like it. Hello, mate. What's up, buddy? What's up? Hello, it's me. Maria's working, so I've gone to go and get some breakfast. And given that we're on vacation and I like to try the local cuisine, I picked up some Starbucks. Tell me what you're eating.
What is this called? Hawaiian? Wait.
Shave ice. Not shaved ice, as we thought.
The shaved ice. Hawaiian rainbow. Nothing like an icy. Very good. Very cool. Alex, turn off the video.
No,
Turn off the video.
Where are we going?
I don't know. You won't tell me.
Where do you think?
I literally have zero clue. Can I please hold this because
You may
making me
hold it.
nervous?
I'm staring at the road.
I thought maybe a helicopter ride, but then you said something about a boat.
Accidentally
But
said about a boat. Accidentally.
We're not wearing swimsuits. He said, no, we're not going to be in the sun. Like, we're not going to get burnt. So I really have no idea. It's not whale watching.
And we're driving to the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, right now it seems like we're going to the middle of nowhere. So this is where he took me. He's sneaky. Sneaky.
You did kind of guess it. I just threw you off with the boat.
I did. I'm so excited. This is so freaking cool.
This is our dinner this evening.
There's so much pasta sauce and cheese.
That's all we ordered.
Well, and the drinks. They're very sweet.
Oh, and drinks.
All right, here we go. Road to Hana. It is currently, what time is it? 8:12. We left at 7:25. The goal was 6:30, but you know, we did our best. Alex did his best.
I did my best to get you up.
Waking me up. It was a bit of a struggle for me, as always. But yeah, forecast says rain apparently in Hana, and it's slightly raining right now. But it's gonna be great. We're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna try to do the big hike at the end.
Yep.
And I'm gonna try not to throw up.
In a waterfall, maybe.
That would be wonderful. All right, got lots of rain. Woo!
But we're manifesting sunshine.
We're manifesting sunshine.
Blue
Alex
skies.
is doing great as my race car driver and my chauffeur. But look at this jungly water. Wow. All right, we're starting the first little walk to, where is this to?
I don't know, don't we see some eucalyptus or some crazy
I think some rainbow trees,
Rainbow trees
and something else that we don't even know.
No, we forgot what he said.
And it's raining a bit.
Just a little bit. Well, we're still manifesting sunshine.
We're still manifesting sunshine. Let's hope all goes well. God, this is so inappropriate. Look at what he's doing. Terrible human being. Ah, how freaking cool. Shoo! Oop, I got a rock. The rocks hit my...
No rocks.
So freaking cool. Look at this! It's totally black.
It went what? It did? We're walking on a trail. We don't know where we're walking. We're taking a picture. That's vlogging for you. Vlogging at its best. Yeah! Vlogging. We've made a bad mistake.
No, it's not a mistake.
It's not a mistake.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I can't be looking up.
Okay, don't look up. Oh. It's really raining. Oh my god.
Alex, turn it off.
Ah.
Okay. Oh yes, baby. Fully soaked. It's gonna be great. How you doing back there?
I'm doing wonderful. Comfortable, warm.
All right, we've undressed. How wet is your shirt?
Let's see. It's wetter than your shirt. That's pretty good.
Not too much. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Woo. We made it. We made it to the top.
Yeah. What was it? 1 point? Well,
1.8
it's gonna be
miles.
like a 4-mile walk.
Yeah,
Bamboo rainforest.
that was pretty cool.
Massive ass waterfall.
And it's pouring rain again.
Raining again.
But the view is pretty nice.
Yeah. Okay, so remember when Maria caught me peeing? Now we caught Maria peeing in the bushes.
Oh my gosh. There are little spider webs. Are you fucking kidding me? It's about to rain. Is it about to rain right now?
Is it? Tell me about the fashion choices that we're making right now. This is
There are no choices. This is
Hana Ranch.
This is all necessity.
my matching Hana Ranch.
My purple hat, energy drinks.
Energy drinks, food.
I feel like it's about to start raining.
I mean, yeah. Kind of looks that way, doesn't it?
We look like such tourists. It's ridiculous. Okay, let's eat.
12 hours later, we're exhausted,
So exhausted.
but we survived.
Just barely.
Barely. It was the longest drive back ever.
Alex was an absolute champ. Drove for 3 hours straight behind super slow cars with a crazy man in the middle of the street.
Yeah, crazy guy with a whatever that metal thing's called. I'm too tired.
A
Crowbar.
Looking
Possessed.
like he was gonna murder someone.
Yeah, that was scary.
I'm not wearing a bra.
You're not wearing a bra. I'm not wearing a bra either. We've got our Road to Hana t-shirts on.
We're never coming back as such door.
Okay, we're gonna go to bed now. Night. So that was morning yoga. It is day, I don't know. I literally don't know what day it is or how many days we've been here, but I know the trip's going too quick. So we did morning yoga, 7 a.m. We made it, 1 minute to spare. The lady hated us. Actually, it wasn't 1 minute to spare, it was 1 minute past, and she'd already started. She seemed pretty pissed. But we did it, we had fun. Maria's having her massage, trying to get rid of some of the back pain and neck pain. I got us some band-aids for Maria's feet, some water, coffee, and now I'm gonna go sunbathe and wait for it to come back.
He is gonna get so sunburnt. Alright, what day is it, 6?
I don't know.
I think
Valentine's
it's day
Day.
6, yeah. Valentine's Day. Happy V-Day, baby.
Happy V-Day.
Okay, but today we're snorkeling. It's beautiful. We're just waiting for the sun to come out. And then we'll be off to the races.
So it's Valentine's Day. I'm waiting to pick Maria up. She was just getting ready in the room. Let me show you the ride that I'm picking her up in. It's no Rolls Royce, it's no Lamborghini, but Oliver has its own special character. See, we have a nicely worn steering wheel, an Aloha warning on the dash. We got some trash, a lot of mud. A few rips and scratches, but you know. Oh, here she is, here she is. Here's my date has arrived. There she is. The most beautiful girl. Ooh. That was a terrible wolf whistle. Here she is.
Filming me?
Yeah, I'm filming you.
Oh.
Just saying I'm ready to pick up the world's most beautiful girl. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Alright, we're going for dinner now. Bye.
Let's go.
So Maria is eating a ball set.
Okay, we'll only do half.
Okay.
Only one ball.
Half a sec. Salty?
Oh, tangy. I don't think I want to drink any more of that.
No. Do you want my sack as well?
Try a little bit.
No.
Try a little bit. Come on.
I don't want a
Give me the
ball
camera.
I don't want a ball sack.
Come on, drink a little.
Okay.
Just do half.
I can't pick it up.
God, your camera
really
quality is
squidgy.
amazing. Just take it with a fork or with your fingers.
Oh my god.
Okay, just do half.
It's a
I'll have the
sausage.
other half.
It's fucking horrible. Oh my god, it's gross. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Okay. Whale watching.
Just started, I got my 2 bracelets.
2 bracelets. It's a little bit rocky.
Yeah, not too bad so far.
Yeah. We're holding off on the drinks just for now. So
Water's very dark.
very
I prefer
dark.
not to swim in there.
And not to throw up in
Oh
there.
god.
We won't. Think positive. Maria's making fun of my hair. Hello. We did our photo shoot that you surprised me with.
Yes. Alex was great.
You were great.
The sunset was
amazing. I wish we had, well, we do have pictures, but we'll add the pictures. Just swipe up, click below here, swipe to shop.
What's up?
What's up? Is your dress like me?
I am.
Yeah.
I think these are a little big for me. But this hat fits me well. It's our second to last day.
Yeah, we had
Are you
breakfast.
sad?
I'm very sad.
What is going on? Alex has 3 nipples. 1, 2, 3.
How do you never notice this?
I don't know. You've managed to hide it from me
Yeah.
this whole time. Why are you such a child?
I didn't mean to do
Didn't
it.
even
And
see
I
this.
absolutely swear to God, I did not mean to do
Oh
that.
my god. Whatever.
So
To me, it just looks like a face.
really.
It's our last dinner. Final dinner.
Final dinner, the
In-
final rose.
Hawaii.
How about you?
I propose a toast to our first long trip together.
Proper vacation.
Yes. The first of many.
First of many.
And to a great 10 days of mountain
Best 10 days in America.
with you.
With you. And I love you.
You look so cute. You're a little mermaid.
Like a mermaid.
Are you comfy?
I am actually comfy.
Yeah.
The pose is comfy. I don't know why you're knocking it.